What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to be honest with you. This is the first time since 2017 I'm like calm and relaxed. Like I'm just done with school. Officially done with school. RN to BSN 2017 and 2019. Then I took like a year off. Didn't feel like it because of the pandemic and COVID-19 hitting. And then I'm done with NP school. So I was done Friday. I posted a video for you guys graduating at Fifth Third Arena. And I'm going to go over that bank real quick in that financial sector stock. And I love it. And I'm going to tell you why. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check my dividend stock buys out right now. So let's start with my dividend portfolio, the Death Star. It's sitting at $70,000 right now. $70,400. Let's just say $70,000. Okay. I've gained $9,029.72. My return is up 51.62%. Market gain is $1,747.17. Earned dividends $7,282.55. So I'm almost at the $10,000 range, which is really exciting. So I'm going to go over my buys real quick. So I threw $500 in this week, as I've been doing. And I bought shares of Target. I got 0.66 shares of Target. Starbucks, I got half a share, pretty much. Medifast, I got 1.02 shares. I'm going to go over those guys. Bank OZK, I'm at 170. Wendy's, I almost got 2 shares. Kroger, I got almost a full share. And Fifth Third Bancorp, where I graduated at, Fifth Third Arena. I'm going to go over this stock, and I really like this financial sector stock. I bought 2.79 shares. Let's just say 2.7 shares, just to be, I don't want to be too technical. But I want to go over Medifast and Fifth Third Bancorp. So Medifast is sitting at 91.34. It has a dividend yield of 7.23%, a PE ratio of 7.53, average volume 185.15K. The market cap is $994.44 million US dollars. Year range was 77.67 to 143.18. Day range was 90.46 to 100. Its previous close was 96.18. So let me go over these guys real quick. And Wikipedia sums things up 10 times easier for us. So Medifast is an American nutrition weight loss company based in Baltimore, Maryland. Medifast produces, distributes, and sells weight loss and health-related products through websites, multi-level marketing, telemarketing, and franchise weight loss clinics. So they have some pretty big subsidiaries. Jason Pharmaceuticals, Optiva. This is renamed from Optiva 2017, which is Take Shape for Life now. Jason Enterprises, Jason Properties, and Stephen Crondall. So this is a big thing. Weight loss is a big thing now. You're seeing all these weight loss injections, Ozempic, Mounjaro. We had a big project with Mounjaro with my NP program. Mounjaro is a really good product out there. I'll probably discuss those guys as a company with Eli Lilly. That's a very strong pharmaceutical company, and Mounjaro is quite impressive. But this is what these guys bring to the table. So let's go over financial statements and some things that are very attractive with these guys. So I'm going to go over their quarterly financials. This is just revenue in June of 2022. Is up 15.5%. Net income went down 16.72%. Diluted EPS went down 13.64%. Net profit margin went down 27.54%. Operating income went down 20.3%. Net change in cash went down to 305.4. Next, the revenue went down September 2022. It was down 5.56. Net income went down 13.88%. Diluted EPS went down 8.15. Net profit margin went down 8.86%. Operating income went down 12.72%. Net change in cash went up 123.06%. December 2022, the numbers still look down. Revenue was down 10.74%. Net income was down 22.06%. Don't worry, we're getting there. Diluted EPS is 17.18%. Net profit margin was down 12.67%. Operating income was 30.4%. Net change in cash was 135.72%. That was up. Then in March 2023, revenue went down 16.43%. Quarterly net income went down 4.34%. Diluted EPS went up 2.23%. Net profit margin was up 14.39%. Operating income was 12.86. Net change in cash was 160.9%. So let's go over a few more things. Here's the annual revenue. This is in millions US dollars for Medifast. 2016, 274, 2017, 301, 2018, 501, 2019, 713, 2020, 934, 2021, 1,526, 2022, 1,598. So there is an increase in revenue. That is attractive. We're going to go over a few more things. Here's its earnings per share. So you're seeing an increase over time right here, like $1. Then you're at $7.99, $13.89, $14, $13.48, $12.73, $12.81. So there is an increase in earnings per share. Even quarterly, it appears to increase, which is very attractive, to $3.67. That's an improvement from $2.45. So again, these guys are starting to make a comeback. These guys are very cheap right now. This is why I'm capitalizing on these guys. Let's go over a few more things. Let's go over the dividend growth history with Medifast. So 2016, quarterly was 25 cents. 2017, it was 32 cents. 2018, it was 48 cents. 2019, it was 75 cents. 2020, it was 113. 2021, 142. And then 2022 was 164. Then it cracked 165. Their payout ratio is 45%. That's way better than Altria currently. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. The dividend growth in 5 years is 25.07%. So if you bought one share, you made $6.60 with a 6.87% dividend yield. Wanted to go over that one. This one is what I'm starting to target. I changed my M1 finance distribution percentage to 3%. So I'm buying more shares of these guys and I'm capitalizing on the dip. Let's jump to the next dividend stock with this Fifth Third. There's been some negative news with the regional banks, and this is one that I've been capitalizing on right now. These guys are down, and I'm capitalizing on these guys. Fifth Third Bancorp, sitting at $27.59. Dividend yield is 4.78%, a PE ratio of 7.87. Average volume is 4.90 million. The market cap is 18.81 billion US dollars. The tier range was 22.11 to 38.06. Day range is 27.19 to 27.68, and its previous close is 28.58. As I said numerous times, I'm targeting the financial sector and real estate sector because these guys have taken a huge hit and they still haven't really recovered well since the pandemic. Now, they had a big comeback right here, but let's start in March 2020. It was way down to, $13.44. Made a huge comeback. We're beating the S&P. January 14th, 2022, and more negative news comes out. Again, this is perfect for somebody like myself who capitalizes on dips and dollar cost average, buys stocks on Mondays. So let's jump to some interesting information on these guys. So annually in millions US dollars, these guys have done well. They've increased their revenue most of the time. So 2016, 6,889. This is an annually in millions US dollars. 2017, 7,713. 2018, 7,973. 2019, 9,790. 2020, 8,402. 2021, 8,329. And then in 2022, 9,353. So that is a huge increase from 2016 to 2022. Now, let's jump to their dividend history, but there's a few more things that I want to go over, which is very attractive. I want to go over a few things. The year-over-year quarterly growth, it's gone up, as you saw right here in 6/30/2021. A little bit in the negative, but it's slowly trending up. Also, right here, the trailing in the past 12 months, EPS Right here it's gone up, a little bit of a dip here and then gone up. You can correct me if I'm wrong reading this. But right here, Fifth Third Bancorp 2020 annual EPS was 183, a 45.05% decline in 2019. Fifth Third Bancorp in 2021 annual EPS was 373, a 103.83 increase from 2020. Fifth Third Bancorp 2022 annual EPS was 335, a 10.19% decline in 2021. Then Fifth Third Bancorp EPS for the 12 months ending in June 30th, 2023 was 351, a 6.36% increase year over year. Fifth Third Bancorp EPS for the quarter ending in June 30th, 2023 was 82 cents, a 7.89% increase year over year. I like that. Now we need to look at the dividend history. I'm going to start in 2011. So quarterly dividend distribution 6 cents to 8 cents. 2012, 10 cents, 2013, 11 cents to 12 cents, 2014, 13 cents, 2017, 14 cents to 16 cents, 2018, 18 cents to 22 cents, 2019, 24 cents, 2020, 27 cents, 2021, 30 cents, and then 2022, 30 cents to 33 cents in 2023. Payout ratio is 36%. That is beautiful. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 10.89%. So if you bought one share, you made 132 with a 4.62% dividend yield. That is very attractive. This is why I'm buying those guys. It was a pleasure, and it was awesome. I'm going to tell you, graduation was awesome. Those guys really souped up that arena. It looks very powerful. If you guys are in Cincinnati, want to check out a Cincinnati Bearcats game, that stadium is beautiful inside there with basketball. They have some beer there too on tap. So I was very impressed with the arena. I was very impressed with the graduation ceremony, and I'm a proud shareholder of FITB. I am long those two dividend stocks that I own. Now it's for my favorite thing of these videos, which is the disclaimer. So now for my disclaimer. My disclaimer is in the description. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Do not take this in any form of financial advice. I make that clear. You ask in the comment section about should I buy the stock, seek advice from your financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. I am not certified to give financial advice. So if you're looking to get financial advice, go find somebody that is certified or has a background and is able to give you financial advice, because I'm just making this clear. This is for entertainment purposes only. I have a description disclaimer as well. I also want to be clear with you, some of these stocks I may buy and some of them I may sell. I do not pump stocks. I do not believe in pumping stocks, and that's illegal. So I do this for my dividend investing journey. I'm very transparent with my buys. And I explain to you if I sell a certain stock or I'm not feeling it, but do not take this in any form of financial advice. And just realize that you can lose money anytime you invest. So things can happen. You can gain money, can lose money. So that's what happens with investing in stocks and or ETFs. Some investments I've made have blown up in my face. I'm going to be very transparent with you. Some things I am a very aggressive dividend investor. I invest in high yield dividend stocks. I invest in high yield option ETFs like TSLY. I also invest in dividend growth stocks. So I have a hybrid of certain type of stocks, and I can lose money, and you can too if you invest. So I'm just pointing that out. This is only for entertainment purposes only. You guys take care and have a good one.